Hello friends, so just today I am going to discuss here mm, RStudio Clouds cheat sheets. So now I am going to start here. So what is the cheat sheets? So RStudio cheat sheets means the cheat sheets below make the easy to use the some our the favorite package from time to time. So we will add a new cheat sheets if you like to drop your email when. So you can write here, you can contribute to it also. And so first we are most popular cheat sheets ggplot sheets. So ggplot and cheat sheets means data it is using for as a visualizations. So now the ggplot package, you can make a beautiful dashboard, and now the customizables plots of the your data. It implements like a grammars or graphics, and it has been updated here 2021. If it has been updated in 2022, you can get easily through an email if you did give just here. Second is the data transformations. We are using the dplyr cheat sheets. Dplyr cheat sheets means it provides like a grammar and manipulating a tables in R, and this cheat sheets will be guided through the grammars here. And next is data tidying with the tidyverse cheat sheets. And so tidy cheat sheets means it is like using creating and the shaping a tidy data. And next is the data importing with the reader, read excel, google sheets. Apply a functions with the put cheat sheet. It make the easy to work with the list and functions, and these cheat sheets will remind you how to manipulate a list with the put functions, and as well as how to apply a functions the iterative each functions. A string manipulator with the string sheets is provide the easy and use the toolkits with the working with the strings and character data, and this cheat sheets the guided you through the strings functions for manipulating strings. And factor with the forecast cheat sheets means factor are the R data sheets structures for the categorical data. So you can use this cheat sheets to like remind how to make a factor recorders their levels. And the date and time with the lubricates cheat sheets. This one is the how to the round the dates works with the time zone. Extract the element of the date of time and phrase the dates the hour and more back to the cheat sheets. And dynamic documents with the R markdown cheat sheets is the authorizing of format that makes it is easy to write the reproducible reports like R combined with the R codes. Interactive web apps just like a Shiny we are already using and making so many videos like how to create a Shiny dashboard and these things. And RStudio ID cheat sheets just work collaboratively with the R project and versions. Another is the API for the R with the plumbers cheat sheets right here. So this has been also used as a provide to the everything you need to get a start building the API R plumber. Pythons with the R and reticulates the cheat sheets. And another the deep learning with the keras cheat sheets. Data science and spark with the sparkly cheat sheets. Package development with the develop cheat sheets. And contribute the this one is the advanced R. We can use the one based on the R, base plots, BCEA, caret, cartography, and collapse data tables, declare designs. So statistics estimators 0, these are has been given so many sheets. So I think it will be the helpful for the everyone. I think